Welcome to the channel called CAD with Mr. Hugh. We aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us today. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to set up your AutoCAD workspace by using layers and setting the units so that for the other drawings, you'll be able to start your drawing and set up your layers. And I'll show you in a little while the importance of setting up your AutoCAD workspace. Now, in the previous video, we looked at the construction of an ellipse. So maybe you can visit that video after I've completed watching this one. So let me show you the magic of actually setting up your workspace using layers. So if I come to my here, I have an existing drawing which I drew for the previous videos, and I put them together. So I made a video on the construction of this square, which is quadrilaterals. I did a video for the construction of a circle based on this condition. I drew a triangle based on the requirements of the drawing to draw an equilateral triangle of a side equal to 80 millimeters. So what I did, I put the drawings side by side to have an interesting um, drawing to actually illustrate the importance of layers. So I have the lines on different layers. So if I turn off my construction layer, this is a message to indicate that I'm going to turn off the current layer. See, all the constructions are gone, are not showing, and I'm left with the finished product, which is the triangle, circle, and square. If I want to remove the labels, and if I come here, they run a text layer, so if I turn them off, I will only have the triangle, circle, and square. All right, so let's bring it back. All right. So this is the importance of setting up our workspace. So in this video, we'll be setting up our workspace so that you can manipulate your drawings, lines, and objects and text in your drawing to show what is required at that particular time or part on your AutoCAD drawing. All right, so thanks for joining us. We'll be starting the video now. And the next thing we're gonna do is set up our units. So we're gonna type in UN for short for units, the shortcut for units. And we have millimeters. We want to draw in millimeters. The precision, we're gonna put it to 0 decimal places. For the decimal degrees, we're gonna let it remain, the precision remain at 0. Press OK. The next thing we're gonna check is our grid. Okay, our grid is 10. We're gonna let it remain at 10. We're gonna check our snap. So we type the word snap, or it is 10, so we're gonna accept it. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna set up our layers, okay? The layers allow us to put our different line types and the text on different layers so we can manipulate the layers and turn them on or off, okay? All right, so we're gonna go up to our layer properties manager, and we're going to click this icon, and we're going to make a construction layer, and this would represent our construction 4H pencil or 6H pencil. Then the next layer we're going to make is our text layer. The next layer we're going to make is our outline. And our outline, we're going to make the line with 0.3 millimeters. So this pencil would be a 2H pencil or 3H pencil if you're using the traditional instruments such as the T-square, Z-square. I'm going to make a hidden detail layer. So we have to go and load our line type. Going to go and load the hidden detail line. Here it is hidden. Then we're going to select it, press OK, and we're going to let the line weight will be 0.3 because it inherited the last property, the line weight property of the current layer, which was the outline layer, the previous layer that we made. All right, so we have that. We're going to make our center line. And we'd have to come here and load a center line. Here's the center. So we have loaded it, we have to select it now. We press OK. So we have to change this from hidden to center. And this should be it for today. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we showed you how to set up the workspace for a AutoCAD drawing. And in the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of quadrilaterals. And in the following video, we'll be looking at the construction of circles. And in the next video, after the circles video, we'll be doing the construction of triangles based on given requirements. So we look forward to seeing you in those sets of videos. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.